Rattlesnakes are a group of venomous snakes of the genera Crotalus and Citrus of the subfamily Crotalinae. The 36 known species of rattlesnakes have between 65 and 70 subspecies, all native to Americas, ranging from southern Alberta and southern British Columbia in Canada to central Argentina.
Rattlesnakes are predators that live in a wide array of habitats, hunting small animals such as birds and rodents. Prey. Rattlesnakes consume mice, rats, small birds, and other small animals. They lie in wait for their prey or hunt for it in holes. The prey is killed quickly with a venomous bite as opposed to constricting. If the bitten prey moves away before dying, the rattlesnake can follow it by its scent. When it locates the fallen prey, it checks for signs of life by prodding with its snout, flicking its tongue, and using its sense of smell. Once the prey has become incapacitated, the rattlesnake locates its head by odors emitted from the mouth. The prey is then ingested head first with hollow wings and limbs to fold at the joints in a manner which minimizes the girth of the meal. The gastric fluids of rattlesnakes are extremely powerful, allowing for the digestion of bone as well as flesh.
A desert is a barren area of land where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface of the ground to the process of denudation. About one-third of the land surface of the world is arid or semi-arid. This includes much of the polar regions, where little precipitation occurs and which are sometimes called cold deserts. Deserts can be classified by its amount of precipitation that falls, by the temperature that prevails, by the causes of desertification, or by their geographical location. Rattlesnakes are affected by deserts because its high temperature and its low amount of prey. This is also a fact that makes rattlesnakes to evolution for their high endurance without eating meal. These rattlesnakes eat once and can eat that for a year, and they can maintain that grass and the food inside his stomach during a long time. And also they have evolution to their strategies for attacking and hunting their prey.
The threat of envenomation advertised by the loud shaking of the titular noisemaker at the end of their tails deters many predators. However, rattlesnakes fall prey to hawks, weasels, king snakes, and a variety of other species. Human activities. Many types of human activities affect the desert biome, like off-roading when we run our vehicles over the desert soil and carve the tracks into the soil that will scar the land for many years. These tracks can kill off vegetation in the desert. When the vegetation is hard, so are the animals. Animals that rely on the sandy desert floor for camouflage can also be harmed greatly. Military exercise. Military exercise can cause extensive damage to plants and soil in the desert, but many military bases are not open to the public. They also protect many thousands of acres from any other disturbances.
Problems. First, we love while recording. Second, we had technological problems with the computer. Third, we got distracted during the process. Fourth, we had problems with iMovie because we didn't know how to use its solutions. We got serious to record. Second, we went to a technological shop to learn how to fix it. We got concentrated knowing that we joke a lot. Arbolea helped us to use it. Strategies. Don't joke until we finish recording. Try to use the program before recording. Plan better the time of recording to use the time well.